So you want to know how I made this animation? Let's get into it. So let's start by creating a new project at 20 fps. Now follow along with me. Tap on 3 dots and select Convert to Outline. Then adjust the shape until it looks something like this. By the way, if you don't know how to create vector drawings like this, let me know in the comments. I will try to make a complete tutorial on this tool if enough people are interested. Now that our vector is ready, it's time for the animation. Add the transform effect to any circle and create a simple zoom in animation. Once you are happy with it, copy this effect and paste this onto the rest of the layers. After that, offset each layer slightly. Now select the coffee layer and add smooth edges and copy my settings. This will create a morphing animation. All layers and let's add rotation animation. After that, create a new shape layer for the upper shadow.
What the dog doing?
Draw a shape like this. And then reduce the opacity.
What the dog doing?
For the bottom shadow, I used another shape layer that's almost the same as previous one, so I will skip the process. At this point, your animation should look something like this. Now, let's create coffee drop animation. Prepare the background layer and your shape layer, and now just follow along with me.
What the dog doing?
And that's it, your both animation are completed. It will look something like this when we combine both animation with a few extra effects in the final edit. I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, make sure to follow me on Instagram where I post editing breakdowns. Also, I have created a Discord community where I personally help other editors. If you have any questions, just drop them into the help section and I'll do my best to guide you. And don't forget to leave your ideas in the comment section about what tutorial you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Love you all.